Hey there guys, do you have an AMD Ryzen processor in your system? Do you want to improve performance? Well, the answer is probably yes, because that's why you clicked on this video. I'm TechCheck, and today we're going to be looking at how to overclock your processor using an AMD Ryzen Master, and hopefully increase performance by a little bit. Hey there guys, so this is Ryzen Master, and this is the default view just for now to learn the basics, I guess you would say. There's just default, which you can start optimizing using curve optimizer. For me, it's like being a little buggy. I believe I can do it in the advanced view though, and there's auto, C, and manual. Okay, if you just want to do a simple manual overclock, basic view is probably the best. If you want to do more advanced or auto overclocking, precision boost overdrive, be sure to head into advanced view. Just this is just the home right now, showing some statistics, I guess. The temperature, do want to keep an eye out for this. It's best that it doesn't go below or above 80, but if you do get some higher overclocks, it could definitely reach 85. Definitely keep it above 90 though. That's when thermal throttling happens. This is the main place you want to be. Just go to profile 1. The default, this is it. There's a lot of stuff here. Don't worry about that. Head over to manual. To change it, you can just active CCD mode. This is no need to worry about it. Just set it to 1. No, this is 2 right now. My bad. Set it to 2. Well, 1 is probably the best. Set it to 1. And you can change your speeds from here. These are all cores. And yeah, if you have 2 selected, it will also show the rest of the cores. For me, obviously I have 12 because this is a Ryzen 9 5900X, which is a 12-core processor. I can do individual overclocks. You can click this to mirror the speed of 1 core to all cores. Yeah, you can just change it like that. So that is it for the manual overclocking. You know, there's voltage control. If you have a higher voltage, it will make it so that the temperature runs higher, and if it's too high, it could damage your CPU. 1.425 is probably the highest you should put it at for now, unless you really know what you're doing. Precision boost overdrive, this is just PBO. No need for this because there is the option for auto overclocking in Ryzen Master, which is probably just a better version of PBO for most people anyway. You can change the boost override CPU, PBT, TDC, EDC. Not stuff you need to know, you can just look up what they mean. PBO scaler, right now it's on. It's good. Here are the, can't change it since this is in PBO mode. In auto overclocking modes. So it's just gonna automatically overclock depending on your CPU. Can't change anything because this is all automatic. Simultaneous multi-threading, you should always keep that on. Legacy compatibility mode off. Memory control, there's really no need to do that. There's also curve optimizer, so just set curve optimizer to all cores. You can also use it with precision boost overdrive and auto overclocking. Again, if you do want curve optimizer, just use auto overclocking. PBO is not that great compared to auto overclocking. And to apply them, I believe it will ask you to restart your PC, which I do not want to do because I'm not overclocking. But I personally use PBO from the BIOS, but if I were to use Ryzen Master, I'll definitely set it to auto overclocking. Again, let's go to advanced view, profile 1, auto overclocking, and keep all the stuff the way it is, or just change some stuff if you need to. And yeah, click apply or apply and test if you do want to test it. So yeah guys, that's really it. Be sure to like, subscribe, if you did enjoy this video. Hope it was informational. And as always, see you guys in the next one.